Please pay attention to the disclaimer being shown. Pass Taxi provides taxi training courses to new and existing taxi and private hire drivers to obtain and renew the license. This video will help new and existing taxi drivers to know and understand the meaning of common words and terminologies usually used in taxi training courses. Understanding the meanings of words explained in this video will increase the chances of completing taxi courses comfortably and quickly. We will explain 10 words with definition and an example for your better understanding in this video, and further 10 words same way in each of our next video to improve your English language level. Contract. A contract is a written or spoken agreement, also known as service level agreement. For example, a taxi driver needs to consider and follow agreed terms and conditions written in the contract while providing taxi services to others and must not make decisions on assumptions. Contravention. A contravention is an action which goes against the law and policy. For example, a taxi driver's license can be suspended or revoked if any contravention is shown regarding licensing conditions. Contribute. To contribute is to help in order to achieve something. For example, a taxi driver needs to contribute with emergency services to maintain the safety of passengers and the public. Convenience. Convenience is to be able to proceed with something without any difficulty. For example, a taxi driver should always put the convenience of the passenger in consideration before taking any action in any situation. Conversion. Conversion is the process of changing something to another. For example, independent conversion of any licensed taxi or private hire vehicle must be approved from the relevant authorities prior to its use. Conviction. Conviction is to officially being found to be guilty of a particular crime. For example, all major and minor convictions must be disclosed at the time of application for taxi or private hire driving license. Remember that any minor conviction may lead to fine, suspension, or revocation of license. Courteous. To be courteous is to be polite and respectful. For example, A taxi driver must be courteous towards all, and especially vulnerable passengers. Criteria. A criteria is a standard through which something is decided. For example, term fit and proper is used as a criteria by the licensing authorities to grant taxi and private hire driving licenses. Cross-border hire. Cross-border hire is a situation where private hire vehicles work outside of their local licensing area. For example, private hire vehicles may be used for cross-border hire in some situations. Deaf. A deaf person is a person who is unable to hear. For example, a taxi driver should use sign language to communicate with a deaf passenger. Now it's your turn to write these words on your own and use them in different sentences as examples to understand these words and improve your English by your own. You can watch more of our videos on YouTube regarding health and safety and taxi training courses to learn more or refresh your existing knowledge. You can visit our website for more information at passtaxi.co.uk and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.